Welcome to Smart Architectural Programming. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, creating stunning 3D wave animations using just HTML and CSS. This technique is not only visually impressive but also leverages the power of CSS for smooth transitions and responsive design. Let's break down the code step by step. First up, we have our HTML structure. As you can see, we have a simple wrapper div that contains a series of items. Each item is a div with a background image. These images will be the elements that create our 3D wave effect. The tabIndex equals 0 attribute is added to make each item focusable, enhancing accessibility and allowing users to navigate through the images using the keyboard. Now let's dive into the CSS magic. We start by resetting the margin and padding for all elements using the universal selector comma, ensuring that our layout is clean and consistent. The root pseudo class is where we define two key CSS variables, index, which scales with the viewport size to keep our design responsive, and transition, which defines the timing function for our animations. The wrapper class centers our items on the screen, using flexbox to align everything perfectly. The items class is where the 3D effect starts to take shape, thanks to the perspective property. Each item is styled to create the initial grayscale and brightness effects, with transform and filter properties ready to animate when a hover event occurs. Notice the usage of CSS pseudo elements before and after. They help create additional visual layers around each item, adding depth to our 3D effect. The most crucial part is the hover effects within the items. Item hover section. This CSS code applies a translation and rotation to the hovered item and its neighboring elements, creating that wave-like 3D motion. Finally, the active and focus states are defined for when an item is clicked or focused, expanding its size and bringing it forward in the visual hierarchy. And there you have it. A sleek and interactive 3D wave animation built entirely with HTML and CSS. With this code, you can create dynamic and engaging visuals for your websites, impressing users with smooth transitions and a modern design. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to check out our other videos on smart architectural programming for more exciting web design techniques. See you in the next one.